Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a text reveal effect using masking in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Align the text layer to the screen and adjust the duration by dragging the edge. Open the effect controls by selecting it from the panel. Select the text layer and choose the right masking tool. For this example, let's use 4-point polygon mask. Move the mask to the point where the text isn't visible anymore and create a keyframe by choosing the mask path setting. Now, every time you change the size of the mask, it automatically creates a keyframe. Choose the mask and start rearranging the size of the mask and moving the timeline forward as you make the text appear and gradually reveal, creating a smooth text reveal effect. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text disappears smoothly by the mask. Now you know how to create a text reveal effect using masking in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.